Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I am Pooja Ahuja and do not chase perfection. Perfection is nothing but illusion. Trust me, perfection is do not chase perfection ever in your life, right? Just start doing things and eventually you will be perfect in that. So I have seen many people that they just think that once I will be perfect in speaking, then I will start speaking in English. You cannot speak English throughout your life if you have this mindset that once let me be perfect, then I will start speaking. It doesn't work. Okay, you have to start something, then eventually you will be good at this, at that, whatever you want to start, whatever you want to do in your life. It is not only just in speaking or in any languages, it is applicable everywhere, right? So just do not chase perfection. Start working wherever you are, from where you start to do. And things are difficult before they become easy. Yes, it is true, and I personally experienced it. Things are really difficult before they become easy. When I started this channel, so two challenges I have to face. Even till now, I have to face two challenges. That first is facing camera. Yes, I have fear of facing camera, yes, but still I am doing it. I know whether I am still something, still there is room for improvement, I know very well, but yeah, fear of camera I have. Second challenge for me is speaking in English, but still I am doing it, and I know very well that after doing continuously, after making videos, and after indulging in this process, ultimately I will be perfect. I will not be perfect, but yeah, I will be good at this. There will be a better version of mine after continuously working in it. So that's why I'm telling you, do not chase perfection. I generally talk to my friends in English just for the practice purpose. I talk to them. So when I talk to them on call, so I am so, what to say, I am fluent and I am very natural. I do not hesitate. I am very comfortable at the time of speaking with them in English on call. But at the time of making videos and shooting, so what happens? When I see my videos, I also think that this is not the natural way of speaking. I do not speak like this, but I don't know why I speak like. When I see myself in front of camera, I see that there is something missing. This is not you. Why? Because fear of camera and speaking in English, these two. Why? This is in my mind. Sometimes still it is in my mind. Oh, I have to be good. I have to be good. I have to speak, in a nice way, so that people, there should be a good impact. So that is why I chase perfection. That's why I'm telling you, and you can see I begin it, and I know eventually after working daily I will be good at this. And let's see, and you are there with me, and you can see my progress, and I will be with you. And just start speaking whatever your goal is there, whatever you have decided your goal, so start doing that. Do not think once I will be perfect, then I will start doing it. No, no. Once you will start, then you will be good at. Don't think first of all, let me be good at, then I will start. No, you have to start, then you will be good. So this way I want to tell you these things that I am facing. What happens, this is my personal experiences, my shortcomings that I am sharing with you, so that you can learn it. And it is so necessary to know, to be aware about ourselves, that what the shortcomings we have. Even when we face any interview, when their interviewer asks you that your strength and weakness, everybody has a strength and weakness, obviously. So we must be aware of that, and we have to work for that. So if we work for that, so first of all we must know what is that. And yeah, so I know that these two are the challenges that generally I face. The first is facing camera, and second is speaking in English. I have been working on spoken English for the last 7 to 8 months. Trust me, daily, every month I work for my spoken English earlier. Though I used to teach English grammar, but I used to teach English grammar in Hindi. Like this is the in I mug up all the things in my mind, and I also practice a lot. I used to practice a lot, but what happens, things are only in mind. Like after this rule that will be applicable, and this is the sentence, in this way this rule is applying, and many more things. So everything is in my mind, so I used to teach them, but the explanation was in Hindi. So now you can see, and because of the knowledge of grammar, it also stops me to in speaking in spoken English. Why? Because I used to think that, oh, I teach English grammar, and still if I will make grammatical mistakes, so how it will be. So I'm not thinking about anything. Whatever it will be, I'm going to do it. I want you to do this. I want you to achieve your goal without thinking anything. Okay? So don't be embarrassed for anything, as I am here, whether it is broken English or it is very good English, whether I made mistake of grammatical mistake, whether I am not, but still I am speaking. I want to tell you one thing, that grammar is something different and spoken English is something different, right? Spoken English needs courage to speak in front of people, because we are not native speaker, but still we are speaking in front of people, in front of, like, even I'm speaking in front of camera. So obviously it requires courage, and I want all of you to come out of your comfort zone and start speaking as I begin my journey. So these were the thoughts that came in my mind. I thought that let me tell you, and even I am not going to edit anything in this video. Generally I used to edit a lot, but from today onwards I thought that I am not going to edit anything. See how I am speaking, and the same way start. You must start with me, and I am here with you, and I will be uploading videos that what is in my mind and how I'm facing while making videos, and what are the hurdles, obstacles that I'm facing in speaking English. So I know many of you are beginner and you do not have environment of speaking. So let's see, even I do not have environment of speaking, I'm doing, and I hope you will also do. Search people around you, start speaking with them, and be comfortable. And from today onwards I thought that I am not going to edit my video. Whatever in my mind, I will start speaking in front of camera, and that's all. But whatever the mistake, I don't care about anything. The one thing that is important for me, that is the better version of mine, and I'm ready to work on it. Yeah, so I hope you also will start something, like to come out of your comfort zone, right? Don't chase perfection, and start doing whatever you want to do, whatever you want to achieve, right? And one more thing, keep in mind that things are really difficult before they become easy. Yes, still it is difficult for me to face camera and speaking in English, and I am doing it, and I'm sure that I will keep on doing it, and after one day, 1 month or 2 months, you can see the change in me, right? So I am here, and you are also on my channel. So let's start this journey of learning without chasing perfection. And I hope this video will help you a lot, and thank you, and bye.